Hey guys, welcome back. I went through and I've weighed all my rods and, you know, put them with the pistons and everything. And I think it was like a half a gram I got with it within, swapping the rods around the different pistons and everything and taking my heaviest piston and putting my lightest rod on it and everything. I think I wound up within like a half a gram or a gram, which I'm pretty satisfied with. It's Summit Pro LS forged pistons and rings, forged pistons and rods. I really like them. I'm gonna kind of show you. I kind of struggled there for a little bit trying to figure out how to assemble them with the spiral locks. I guess these are a new thing, because the last set I put together, they just had the regular locks on them. But these spiral locks, they can be a pain in the ass if you let them. I even called Summit and asked them, if they had a special tool or something, and they kind of talked me through how to install them and everything. I was worried about getting too rough with this little spring right here, this little spiral lock. And what you do, you get it, and you pull that thing apart, separate it, until you're about like that. And, remember how we talked about the rods having a chamfer on one side of them that goes against the crank? Okay. This is the way the piston's gonna go, number 2, and it's gonna be up against the crank right there. I put white assembly lube on it. Push her all the way in there. Take your spiral lock, I don't know why this is going to be a pain in the ass. Okay, we got her started now. Yes. Take your pig. Start working her around. Once you get it pushed down there to where the seat's at, it kind of stays down there, locks in place. And you can hear it whenever that last part of it gets down in there. You can hear it click and everything. There's number 2. We got her all lubed up and everything. There's number 4, so you can see where I went through and weighed them all. And we're still waiting on a bunch of other parts to come in, and I tell you what, Summit Racing, they're fast. They're unbelievable fast on getting parts and everything. Everything we've ordered from Summit Racing, it's here. You know, they're not sponsoring me. They're not doing nothing for me. It's just really unreal how quick they are. I really like this. I probably, probably sick of me saying it, but I really like these pistons and rods. I've got the same set of pistons in my truck, but I just used the Gen 4 rods. We got our VS Racing 80mm turbo in, and I'd like to say, all you guys done the Rocky Mountain Drag Week and everything. I hope you guys do good. I hope all of y'all be safe and have fun and everything. And that's all it's about is, well, the competition part of it too. But you want to make sure you get to go home to your families every night. If you guys ever get a chance, check out Sean with Mountain Garage. He's got a lot of good information on Turbo 400s and everything. See, listen. I don't know if y'all could hear it or not when it clicks down in there and seats down in there. Last one, guys. Then tomorrow we're gonna hopefully everything, all the moon and stars line up and everything. Tomorrow we'll be putting everything in the block. I'm just using some super white assembly lube, lithium grease type of assembly lube, I just take them and just pull them apart. And that's the way Summit Racing said to do them. And no. Leave it to the last one to try to fight me. There's a little notched out spot over here that you can catch if you can catch it right there, and make it work it on down in there too. And just kind of go around it. Well, this in here is trying my patience. There we go. There we go, guys. That's got our pistons and rings on there. We got our rods on it. We got everything balanced out. And fixing to start assembling it. Y'all excuse me a little bit. It's like an oven in this shop and everything, and y'all get a chance, check out the Summit Racing Pro LS pistons and rods, forged LS pistons rod, rated for like 1200 horsepower. Please hit that like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, I'd like to give a shout out to I think it's Diablo Speed. Check him out, man. He's got a sweet, badass little Mustang and everything, and check him out. And like I said, appreciate you guys. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that bell and everything where you can get some more notifications and everything. And I'm gonna try to get another video out tomorrow of me putting the pistons and rods in and everything and torquing them down. And I appreciate it, guys. I'm out of here.